Let's create an Instagram reel cover that will fit in the save area of the new Instagram grid. Let's go. From your homepage, you just have to click on Create and type Instagram reel cover. Choose this one. This is already the right format. To be sure that we are going to fit our design into the new grid of Instagram, we're going to Elements and add this shape. Then go to Position, and here we're going to change the width to 1080 and the height to 1440. Now we're going to place this exactly in the middle of your design, and this is the safe area, okay? Everything that you put here, image and text, will appear on the new Instagram grid. Everything that is above or below is not. It's just going to appear in the Reel tab, okay? But for you not to design with this rectangle, we are going to File and then Settings, Show Rulers and Guides. For me, this is already appearing here, you can see. So now you're gonna click and drag one guide here and one right below there. Now you can delete this square, and these guides, they are just there to help you design. They are not going to appear when you download your reel cover, okay? So let's say we want to choose any design from the Canva library. You go there, and now you're gonna see this one is going to fit perfectly there. As you can see, the main information is here in the center. Everything that is above or below, which is not super important, is not going to appear on the Instagram grid, okay? But let's check another design now. So you're here searching for designs, you found this one super cool, but you see that the first sentence here is cut to the half, and it's not going to appear really well on the Instagram grid or in the new version. So you can now, with your guides, you can adapt to make it fit there before you download it, okay? Now we can create an Instagram cover from scratch. So you see how it is possible to do that this way as well. I thought of creating something for a business coach, and I already chose this image. This is a free image from the Canva library. I'm gonna set this for the background, and you see, because I can see these lines, I know that her face is going to fit there. I can even make it like a bit bigger. You see, I know that now the main characteristics of her face are going to appear in the Instagram grid as well. Let's add some text to it. I like this effect here of lift, so the text is a bit more readable, and I'm gonna make this image just less brighten. Let's add some more text. So you see all the main information I wanted to have here is already there. It's going to appear in the new Instagram grid. Now you can also add some extra information. Let's say that the logo, just type in here anything as for the logo now. Let's say this is the logo of the company that is posting this, okay? This information can appear here above the line. It's not that important to have it always there. Just adjust it a bit. Here I just added like the web page, okay? So this way you see exactly where the main information is and what's going to appear on your new Instagram grid, and the information that you probably don't need to be there all the time, so you can put it above or below. I hope this was helpful for you. This is a template I published in the Canva library. It's totally free. If you want to have this, just leave a comment and I'll send it to you.